Hey everyone, it's Tim from gagnonstudio, and I'm here with a quick tips and tricks video for you for your painting adventures. Today I want to talk about fixing a painting. I've got this great big cloudscape that I did, spent lots of time on it, and it's a long story, but a caribou head antler went through the painting right here. Long story. We'll get into that maybe in another video. Anyway, so the painting's damaged and there's a little hole you can see right here. Maybe you can't, but I'll push it in a little bit so you can see. Painting got split right there and I want to fix it. So we're going to go over quickly here how to fix that. There's lots of different ways you can fix a painting, different adhesives and everything, and I like to do it without using any types of glue. So let's jump right into it. First, what you're going to need: box cutter, old canvas that you don't want, and all you're going to do is you're going to cut out a square that's going to be as big or bigger. You want to be bigger, not as big, bigger than this little hole here. So I'm just going to put it on my table over here and cut out a piece of canvas that's bigger than the hole. All right, next thing we're going to do, flip the canvas around. I've got a dust cover on here and eventually I'll replace it, but what we're going to have to do is just cut this open a little bit. And you can see the antler actually came all the way through and poked a hole in the back of the dust cover. But our split is right here. So I'm just going to cut this down carefully because you don't want to make another split in the canvas. I'll just fold this. Okay, so the split is right up under here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put gesso on this piece of canvas, and then the gesso, as it dries, will adhere to this and act like a glue. Okay, like I said, some people like using an adhesive. I like using gesso. I have titanium white gesso here, just because I don't really like putting glue on the canvas at all, anywhere if I don't have to. And this works really well anyway. So just going to take a brush and basically kind of put it on thick. We'll be painting over it again later, but what we want to do is get it on there relatively thick, not like super clumpy, not like a Van Gogh painting, but you know, thick enough that it will stick. Okay, and then we're going to take this little piece of canvas, we're going to stick it right over our hole, and it should stick there nicely because gesso is kind of glue-like anyway. So what we want to do now is quickly turn the painting over and press it against the other side. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to kind of press this flat as much as I can. So you might have to reach over to the other side with and have both hands going at once, but you want to get this pressed as flat as possible. So you can see I'm pressing here on the other side, getting it to be as flat as I can out here on the front. All right, so now what I want to do is let that completely dry so it adheres really nicely. Okay, then you want to mix up some paint after that dries and match up the color that you're going to fix here. And you want to put it on pretty thick. Okay, and probably the hardest part, honestly, is getting the same color. So put some on there, try to get it close. And then we want to really kind of push it in. This will take a few layers. We want to get it all the way down into those creases. You can take your finger, this is oil paint for this one, then just kind of blend it into the rest of your painting. And it's going to take a couple layers to actually get rid of the entire crease there. So with oil paint, it takes a while for it to dry, so it's good to get the paint on thicker there. All right, then once we've got that all painted in, we're going to go back to our white gesso, flip the painting around, and I'm going to go around the edges here. And I really want to get this adhered really nicely, so I'm going to paint over the entire thing. Okay, so what I want to do now is let that sit for about 24 hours. It's oil paint, so it'll take a little while to dry. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but you want it to be pretty close to dry, and then you can kind of tidy up and fix up your colors, re-varnish and all of that. If you're using acrylic paint, you can probably do it a little bit faster. Patch up the spot, do a few thick layers to fix the spot, then let it dry a couple hours, then keep reapplying to fix the color. So that's how you can fix a canvas without using any glue, with just some gesso, an old canvas, and then just the original paint you used to paint the painting. So if you have any questions, you can email me at tim@timgagne.com. Please make sure you check out my online painting lessons. I have lots of lessons in acrylic and oil, and I do in-person workshops. Also, if you want to check out some really awesome frames like this one, head on over to americanframe.com. On your first order, take off 20% using coupon code TGAGNOR20. That's T, my last name, Gagnon, and the number 20. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.